JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Tradingview account. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we have our Tradingview. So you want to go to the top right corner and get started. So here you will have to sign up. So it's $0 forever. But here, when you scroll down, you have your non-professional and your professional levels for your Tradingview. So you have your essential, plus, and premium. And as you can see right here, you can pause the video so you can see the benefits of using this. So here you have $12.95 a month, or you can do an annual fee, of course. So here you want to sign up, so you can use your Google, your Apple, your LinkedIn, your Yahoo, your Twitter, and your Facebook. So I already have mine. So just sign in with your Google. It's the easiest, I swear. It just takes one press of a button, and now you'll be having your own actual TradingView. You can download the application. I have my application right here. So here you want to go check out some trades maybe, so you want to check out the heat map right here probably, so you can do that here in your own actual trading view. And as you can see, we have a really bearish market right now here in our trading view. So there you go. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.